Carolina Care is at the heart of everything we do at UNC Health, and your support of our mission to provide the highest quality experience to all patients changes lives every day. From medical breakthroughs in our labs to initiatives like FoodWell, which provides meals to patients facing food insecurity, to programs like Carolina MedExcel, which will transform medical education by creating a new generation of diverse leaders. You make Carolina Care possible.
As UNC Health's Chief Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Officer, I lead the effort across our health system and School of Medicine to improve health in underserved communities, a challenge that requires a coordinated lift from every corner of the state. Your gifts to initiatives like our Health Equity Fund or the Family Medicine Diversity, Equity, Inclusion Fund provide resources that are specifically targeted to improving current inequities and enabling outreach to our community and state. We cannot do this work without you, and together we will make a difference.
Funding for medical research helps the development of novel treatments and cures. As our scientists across the UNC School of Medicine seek funding to turn their ideas into treatments, your support has helped to jumpstart their research programs at an early stage, speeding the rate of scientific discovery and translating research from the bench to the bedside. Funding from donors like you is critical for researchers to launch successful research programs and make advances that reduce the burden of human disease.
I'm the Patient Assistance Coordinator for the Comprehensive Cancer Support Program at the North Carolina Cancer Hospital, where patients benefit from essential services such as transportation to medical appointments and food. By helping absorb the additional non-medical expenses associated with cancer care, such as the cost of travel and lodging, our assistance fund is literally helping patients receive care they may not otherwise be able to afford.
I'm going to start where I'm going to end. We couldn't do it without you. UNC Lineberger is uniquely positioned to make investments in research and science that are so new and so innovative that they're almost like science fiction. Our innovation is how we get to patients the more effective cancer treatments and give them better outcomes. And we're able to do this thanks to your generous support. Your support enables us as the People's Cancer Hospital of North Carolina to provide residents of all 100 counties with immediate access to the latest and most advanced cancer care and services. This life-saving research and our comprehensive cancer support program would not be possible without you. On behalf of our patients, their loved ones, those we treat, our faculty, and our staff, we all thank you.
Your support for UNC Children's promotes the health of children through compassionate family-centered care, tireless advocacy, scientific discovery, and the education of future leaders. Your gifts provide the resources and flexibility that allow us to do what is necessary for our young patients without hesitation.
Donors support our Farm Fund for patient and family assistance, helping us provide financial assistance to families at UNC Children's Hospital who are unable to pay rent, a utility bill, or the cost of childcare while their child is receiving treatment. You make the burden lighter at an incredibly stressful time. Your generosity allows families to focus on their child's health and healing.
Thank you to our amazing donors who do so much to provide Carolina care to families at UNC Children's hospitals and clinics. Your gifts change lives and positively impact care for thousands of children across our state, and we could not be more grateful for your partnership. Thank you.
All the great work we do across UNC Health depends on our ability to educate the next generation of healthcare leaders. Our goal with your partnership and the UNC School of Medicine is to provide the best education to the best possible students, regardless of their background or circumstances. That's why scholarships remain a priority across our programs in medicine, allied health, and basic sciences. Your partnership is the engine that powers Carolina Care, making education accessible to more students who will go on to serve the people of North Carolina and the world. And for that, we are deeply grateful. Thank you.
As you've heard, Carolina Care means many things to many people. But at its heart, Carolina Care is everything our patients need it to be. From the highest quality clinical care to support for medical equipment, travel expenses and meals, from scientific innovation to medical student scholarships. Donors like you help create amazing opportunities to meet our patients, students, and physicians with what they need in their moment of need. You are at the heart of Carolina Care, and we are endlessly grateful for all you make possible.